Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Goa reports 26 cases of Delta coronavirus strain, 229 new cases, 9 deaths. Reports 54,069, a slight increase. The road along the Nanus Gange is an example of what condition many of our roads are in, sad and dangerous. BJP MLA Alina Saldana has continued to attack the proposed Mini India project at KLOC, says in a no development zone and without any approvals. And now for the news in detail. Goa has reported 26 cases of Delta coronavirus strain, epidemiologist Dr. Utkarsh Betodkar said. He however said that this is not a new strain and there is no need to panic. Meanwhile, Goa reported 229 new cases and 9 deaths in the last 24 hours. India has reported 54,069 new COVID-19 cases and 1,321 deaths in the last 24 hours. This is the second straight day when the country witnessed a rise in the number of daily cases.
Goa State epidemiologist Dr. Utkarsh Betodkar said 33 samples were sent for testing in lab at Pune, out of which 26 were found positive for Delta strain. But people should not worry as this is not a new strain and had existed earlier, only name is changed.
या 33तले 26 चे रिजल्ट्स ते डेल्टा वेरियंट आसा आणि 6 आसा ते कापा वेरियंट आसा आणि एकूच रिपोर्ट आमकां अल्फा वेरियंट आसा. आता कालच्यान हे सगळ्या मिडियान येवपाक लागला आणि ही जी नांवां जी आसा म्हणजे सगळ्या लोकांक सामकीच नेवी जाल्या, पूण ही हो खंयचो नेवो स्ट्रेन न्ही, हो स्ट्रेन पयलीं बीन आशिल्लो. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ऐकलं असतले ह्याच्या पयलीं आमचे डॉक्टर्स, डीन, आमचो मिनिस्टर उलयतालो की देर इज समथींग कॉल्ड महाराष्ट्र डबल स्ट्रेन म्हणून आशिल्ली आनी आमी इवन सेकंड वेव जेन्ना चालू आशिल्ली, जेन्ना आमी मिडिया ब्रिफींग करताले तेन्ना सदांच सांगताले की चड करून आमकां ही महाराष्ट्र डबल स्ट्रेन आसा आनी त्याच्या खातीर आमचे केसीस इतले फास्ट वाडटा म्हणून. सो आतां कितें जालां की फाटल्या एक 10-15 दिसां भितर जो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन आसा तांच्यांनी हे सगळ्या स्ट्रेनाक नांवां दिल्या आनी ही जी महाराष्ट्राची डबल स्ट्रेन म्हणून आसा पळय न्हू, ताचें नांव जालां डेल्टा आनी महाराष्ट्राचें सिंगल स्ट्रेन आसा ताचें नांव जालां कापा. सो ही पयलीं बीन आशिल्ली स्ट्रेन आनी ती स्ट्रेनीचें नांव हें फक्त चेंज जालां. सो त्या नांवा खातीर लोकांनी भिवपाची गरज ना, पूण एक मात आसा जी काळजी घेवपाक जाय आमकां पयलीं ती फाल्यां सगळें खंयचीय फाल्यां येवं म्युटंट, नेवो म्युटंट सुद्दां येत रावतलो, पूण खंयचोय नेवो म्युटंट येयलो सुद्दां जाल्यार आमची जी काळजी घेवपाची आसा किंवा प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपाचे आसा ते सेम उरतले.
The country's active case load today stands at 6,27,057. A net decline of 16,137 is witnessed in last 24 hours and active cases are now only 2.8% of the country's total positive cases. Weekly positivity rate is currently at 3.4% while the daily positivity rate stands at 2.91% today. It has remained less than 5% for 17 consecutive days now. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We just need a roof over our head. Panchayat fooled us by promising pension and government fooled us promising a house. An 85-year-old living in makeshift shed told his story to Goa 365. Watch this heart-melting story of a struggling senior citizen.
Kolwale Hill was chopped off due to road widening work and house belonging to her siblings Peter and Rita was also razed down. Now they are living in a shed with few tin sheets and no walls during heavy rain. Listen to the story.
कित्याक तें घर बांदता आसतना म्हाका शामान सांगलें शिताचो नीस करून दियात गोरमान निसाचो उदक नासतना रावल्या, पूण तूं वगडाय नाका म्हूण तें घर वयर काड. हांवें तें चिंतालो मात वयर काडपाक गोवोरमेंटा कडेन 78 वर्सां पासून तो आज पासून वता गोवोरमेंटा कडेन. कित्याक साल्वार कर म्हूण आमकां कांय वायट करूं नाका आनी तुका जाय जाल्यार ह्या वटेन रस्तो व्हर आनी तें घर दवर म्हाजें म्हूण सांगलें. ह्या वटेन तोहोच वयता आनी ह्या वटेन तोहोच वयता, नीट वयता, कांय वायट जायना. खंयच्याच मनशान ऑफिसरांनी मिनिस्टरांनी आमच्या आयकलें ना, पूण मिनिस्टरान तेन्ना राणे हाडलो पयलो राणीन सांगलें आपूण घरा कडेन पळयता आनी तुका सेफ जाता सेफ कर. म्हाज्या नशिबान तो पूल मोडलो आनी पळय म्हाजें तें काम उरलें आनी तें आयज पासून उरलें. राणे कांयच करूंक पावलो ना तें. राणे आपणाच्या कामाक उरलो ती कहो मोडलो कितें म्हणल्यार तें डिस्कशन जावं लागलें आनी ताका लागून तो आपणें घेवंक पावना आनी तो तेजो टायम जालो तो बहुत लागलो आनी तो आतां BJP येयलो. पूण BJPन आमची कसलीच खबर घेतली केन्नाच आमी आयज पासून पावूंक ना. आनी BJPन येयलो जाल्यार हांव कितें सांगूं जाय तें सांगता आसलो. आतां ह्या रस्त्याक सर्वे करूंक येयले हांगा थी वता ह्या आतां सर्वे करून येयले तेजे फुडें पासून केल्या. हांगा पासून ताणें सर्वे केलो आमचो श्रीकांत बरो थंय वचून सर्वे जालो नीस मागलो आतां पासून पळोवया तो नीस आयज भरून ताका पयशे फारीक केले ह्या जाग्याचे कोणाक ओनराक. पूण ह्या फुडल्याच्या एक पयसो कोणाक दिवंक ना. कोण सुवाती घेतल्या म्हणटात तोंडाक पूण हातीन पयसो दिवंक ना. पूण तेजे पयशे दिल्या. रस्त्यार आमचे जवळ घर आहा 10 रुमांचे त्या वयर कूड आहा जुवाचो जो घालून त्या वयर कुंबळ आहा ताका नांग बांग घरान वरी हाली वखदां. पूण आतांच्यो वस्तू त्या कारण नासलेल्यो. आदल्यो तें व्हर दितल्यो करपाक हांव तितलो पयशांकार न्हू सिदी तरी हाली. मागीर आयज एक मेमे फाल्यां एक मेमे खाता पळय तसली शी आनी त्या पासून हांव हो सुरू आयज पासून गोवोरमेंटान म्हाका व्हेलो पयशे घेवपाक. पयशे कितें 40 आनी 4,000 दिवंक लागलो म्हाका. म्हणल्यार 40,000 व्हडल्या घराचे 2 मानकुराद 3 पणस आनी 2 खूंट मानी काजी आनी त्या भायर 1,000 मिटर सुवात आहाली म्हाजी. आनी कूड आहा व्हडलो आनी मोडटा तेन्ना कितें घर मोडलें तें म्हणल्यार कूड तरी मोडी नाकात बाबा कूड तरी दवरात. आनी तेणें सांगलें आमकां माबलांनी जातलो आनी त्यो मोडूंक ना कित्याक काय तो हें कित्याक उरलें काय तो करून आख्खें जे काडलें यादीन उडयलें एक यादीन उडयलें हे यादीन त्या यादीन उडयलें सगळ्यांची वाट लायली मोजाराची वाट लायली आनी ते गेले. मागीर आमकां मानाय घालून तें सारकें करचें पडलें न्हय. हेज्या फुडें आज पासून आमकां कोणाचो हेल्प ना आधार ना कोण विचारिना कितें आनी येता आनी कितें करता वयर वता सोदे घेवन बांदात आनी कितें करात आनी कितें करता हें म्हणटात. आमी हांगा दोगां हें आनी हांगा दोगांय शीक आनी दोगांय मातारी आमी कोण करता. हांगा रांदपाक तें बाबडे रांदता मागीर पडटा म्हाजे कांय जायना मागीर कितेंच करूंक जायना. हांव जियेता संवसार मातसो चलता मातसो भोंवता.
No government or leader gave them justice for last 43 years. During elections, politicians come and go giving 4 kgs of rice. The old man said, "This is the dark side of progressive Goa."
पंचायतीन म्हणलें म्हाका
तर
पंचायतीन
पंचायत केन्ना तुमकां हेल्प करपाक येवंक ना पंचायतीची
म्हाका हे भाशेन हावज वायफ पेन्शन करून म्हाका ओल्ड एज तेंचे कशें हें सांगलें आनी ताका दिवंक ना. आनी एकदां गेल्या पंचायतीन ना तेणें कांय सांगलें तें आवडून घातलें वयर काडून घालत राव म्हणलो. गव्हर्मेंट दिवचो गव्हर्मेंटान दिना म्हणून इतलेंच दिता मामलेदारान आपले मामलेदारान सांगलें तोंडान आपलें हांव हे मिटींग गेलो मागीर मिटींग जाल्ली पंचायतीन आनी घर मोडल्या उपरांत तो एका म्हयन्यान मेलो आपलो
ना ते पयशे तुमी घेतल्यात ते 45,000 गव्हर्मेंटान तुमकां पयशे दिल्ले ते घेतल्यात तुमी घर बांदपाक
ना ना ना
घेवकूच ना पयशे
पयले घेवंकूच ना घेवंकूच ना. एक काय गव्हर्मेंटाचो आमी एक नया पयसो सांगला आयज पासून आमचे जोडीचे भयणीच्या आधाराक भयणी आधार म्हाका जाय.
Amar Chauria for Goa 365 from Thibim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. No one can say when the road menace in Goa will get over. The road along the Nanus Gange is an example of what condition many of our roads are in. Now with the first rains, this road could turn very dangerous for motorists.
The road from Valpa to Ponda has gone direct Chandra during the rains. The road is full of mud. At few places the road has caved in. The journey on this road has turned deadly. Look how the people have to become traffic police. Goa 365 Bureau.
BJP MLA Alina Saldana has continued to attack the proposed Mini India project at KLOC. On Thursday, after another inspection, she said that it looked as if the project was being taken up in a no development zone and without any approvals.
This project has generated a lot of heat in the area. The local deputy Sarpanch told Goa 365 that the project proponent had not submitted any documents during the inspection.
We have a document where the land survey department has stated very definitely that the concerned survey numbers are no development zones. Okay. Now I am told, which we were not aware, that 3 months or 4 months later, the nature of the land changed. I don't understand how this can happen. And now they say it is partly no development and partly development. How can that be? What was the officer doing when he wrote the first report? This is a fraud. Secondly, we questioned the lawyer who is representing Movage, how they are doing the work. Now he said, "Ami chikol katta, ami mati katta." Osle काम करपाक WRD चे permission जाय. Permission दाखोय म्हणून सांगले. Permission ना. And because they were working without permission, they had forbidden entry even to the panchayat, which is the local authority. Okay. Now Kazan lands are cultivable lands. During this season, that land is rich in fish. The tradition states that fishermen used to come in to fish. Okay. That is not allowed. Instead, we are going to do boating there and destroy the land. What kind of boating? What will be the magnitude of boating? Nature of boating? We don't know. I think the panchayat has to decide, and maybe they have to go legal.
Because you had said that you will come with the CM again.
Yes, I want to request the Honorable Chief Minister, because I believe that he will do the right thing. I just want the Honorable Chief Minister to, I don't want to discuss any issues with the Honorable Chief Minister. I just want the Honorable Chief Minister to have a look at the area. Because one look at the area and you know that it is 100% no development zone.
First thing, especially आम्ही बेसिकली आपल्याला तांकां स्टॉप ते एक्टिविटीज इलिगल वर्क करता ताका लागून आनीक तांकां नोटीस सर्व केल्लो. नोटीस सर्व करून स्टील दे हॅव कंटिन्यू देयर वर्क इलिगल वर्क. आनीक मागीर आमी सायड इन्स्पेक्शन मागलें. एक पार्ट ऑन 7th वी आस्क फॉर सायड इन्स्पेक्शन. तेन्ना तांणी गेट लॉक हाडली. वी कुड नॉट टेक द सायड इन्स्पेक्शन प्रॉपर्ली. आनी ताका आमी आनीक नेक्स्ट डेट बेज ऑन दीस सेम आमी ताका नेक्स्ट डेट दिल्ली. दीस इज 24th. आणि आयज सायड इन्स्पेक्शन घेतला. तांचो रेप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आसलो एक एडवोकेट आनीक मिस्टर रातोड. तांकां आमी जे क्वेश्चन केल्ले, परमिशन विचारलें, आनी दे हेल्पलेस, दे कुड नॉट गिव एनी आन्सर्स.
Hirumali for Goa 365 from Kotalim.
The court heard a bail application on the accused Ayub and Anil connection with Sanvil Paris assault case. Sanvil's counsel, Siol Awaz, asked court to allow her to intervene and object to the bail of the accused. The hearing has been postponed till June 29.
The accused counsel argued that the court should not hear to opposition counsel during bail hearing. However, Seola told court that intervention is a right and accused should not get bail. Now in the next hearing, it will certain whether accused will get bail or Seola will get chance to express her stand.
This is regarding the Senvi Perez attempt to murder case, the boy from Naveli. Everybody knows about this case. It has got a lot of limelight, and rightly so, because everybody has been able to see the CCTV footage which is forming part of the evidence. At present, nothing, no charge sheet has been filed, but the accused are in custody. And the reason being that we have in this matter intervened. That is, we as Senvi Perez has engaged me, Siola was, to intervene on his behalf. Now the bail applications of both accused Ayub and Anil Kumar were preferred prematurely before the Honorable Court, and at that point also we had opposed the bail, and by our opposition, in fact, the police custody was also increased, because we had also spoken to the police and investigating officer to seek further police custody. Today again the bail applications were taken, and again we opposed the bail applications on the ground that in this particular matter the likelihood of conviction is very high. There is not only CCTV footage, but there is a lot of corroborative evidence, and there are many other things which are going to favor a conviction in this matter. These things have to be brought before the court, and for that purpose, that is our role that we want to play before the court. Today, however, our intervention application was opposed by the accused's lawyer. Evidently there is something to be afraid of. But even then, we are hoping, and we have argued vehemently, that the judge should allow us to intervene. So on the next occasion, that is 5 days from now, we will get to know whether we are allowed to intervene. But the good news is that for at least another 5 days, and remember that before this another 7 days had gone by. So for 7 plus 5 days, we have been able to keep the accused behind bars, and our greatest effort will be that they should remain behind bars for the longest period possible.
Senvi and the accused had an altercation in which he was injured and arrested. Naval cards had come out against this Dadagiri after that. Sandeep Toekar for Goa 365 from Margaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Goa Labour Welfare Board has extended limits of schemes to the eligible industrial workers in Goa for the year 2021-2022.
Those industrial workers whose employees who have put in more than 6 months of continuous service are eligible to claim benefits. Those workers whose pay does not exceed Rs 20,000 per month can avail financial assistance for purchase of textbooks, notebooks to school-going children. Last date for submission of application for the aforesaid scheme is September 30th. Schemes: financial assistance for purchase of textbooks, notebooks to school-going children. Children studying in 1st to 4th standard can get one set of uniform scheme. Scheme for award of scholarship to school or college-going children. Scheme for supply of TV sets to industrial establishment, labor welfare centers, clubs, recreation rooms. Scheme for purchase of spectacles. Schemes for treatment of mentally challenged spastic children of industrial workers. Child care benefits for female workers can be availed within 6 months from date of delivery. For retrenched workers assistance scheme, the submission of application should be done within 1 year for the date of retrenchment or within 6 months from the date of settlement. Other scheme includes grant of financial assistance to laid-off workers. Stree Sakhi scheme, supply of sanitary napkin vending machine and incinerator. Scheme for organizing sports games, social and cultural activities for employees. Schemes for granting aid to libraries from Goa Labour Fund. Scheme for TB domiciliary treatment of employees covered under the Goa Labour Welfare Act 1986. Scheme for excursion cum study tours of the employees. Crutches scheme for the benefits of children of employees.
The fear of coronavirus pandemic in the minds of people is still there. Vaccine is the only option to fight against COVID-19. Government is encouraging people to take vaccine. A youth from Kaule, Akash Naik, also created awareness through his art.
Fear the disease, not the vaccination. With this message, a rangoli was drawn by Akash and Sauraksha Naik. They appealed people to get vaccinated through his art. Listen to what Akash has to say about his rangoli.
सदांच दिसतालें की एक वेगळी म्हणजे रांगोळी घालतलो की आनी लोकां मदीं एक अवेरनेस जातलें. सो आतां सद्या गोंयांत टिका उत्सव चालू आसा. सो अशें दिसता की सदांच न्यूज पळयता अशें दिसता की लोक भिता वॅक्सीन घेवपाक. म्हणल्यार कितें सायड इफेक्ट जातले काय आनी कितें जातलें काय म्हणून. सो मनाक दिसतालें की एक रांगोळी घालची म्हणून. सो आनी चडशे जाणटे आसता तेंकां सदांच भंय आसता की अशें केन्ना पयलू जावना आशिल्लें. आनी आतां परत तेंकां अशें कितें वॅक्सीन बीन घेवपाक भंय दिसता म्हणल्यार कितें सायड इफेक्ट जातले काय म्हणून. सो तेजेर हांवें एक रांगोळी घातली की लोकांनी भिवची न्हू आनी लोकांनी वॅक्सीन बीन घेवचें.
सो हांगा कवळे गांवा भितर आमचे आकाश नाईक आनी सौरक्षा नाईक ह्यांनी इतकें सुंदर माध्यम निवडलां कोवीड वॅक्सिनेशनाचें अवेरनेस करपा खातीर की रांगोळी पळयतकच मन प्रसन्न जाता. पण ह्या रांगोळींतल्यान आमकां प्रसन्नता आसाच, तातूंत कलेचो इतको सुंदर आविश्कार आसा की तातूंत आमकां एक हेल्थाचो मॅसेजूय मेळटा. ह्या रांगोळीन तुमी पळयात की एक जाणटेली आसा आनी आमचो हेल्थ वर्कर आसा. सो ह्यातून तांचें जें एक्सप्रेशन आनी जो मॅसेज दिल्लो गेलो आसा की बिमारी से डरे टीके से नहीं. सो लोकां मदीं जे भंय आसा कोवीड वॅक्सिनाका लागून की आमकां हाचो कितें फायदो नुकसान जातलें काय कितें, सो आतां तशें पयस करपा खातीर ताणें जें माध्यम निवडलां रांगोळीचें तें कौतुकास्पद आसा.
आज खूब उमेद जाता की आमच्या वाठारांतलो भुरगो आकाश नायक आनी संरक्षा नायक हेंच्यांनी दोगांयनी मेळून ही रांगोळी हांगा काडल्या. आनी ही स्पेशल तोखणाय करपाक लागून आमची HO स्मिता पार्सेकर हांगा हजर आसात, डॉक्टर स्मिता पार्सेकर, तांकांय हांव वेलकम करता. आनी आकाशाच्या तकलेंतल्यान जी आयिल्ली ही योजना त्या खातीर दोगांचें हांव अभिनंदन करता की लोक वॅक्सीन घेवपाक वचून भितात, पूण ह्या रांगोळींतल्यान ताणें दाखोवन दिलां की तुमी वॅक्सीन घेवप खूब गरजेचें आसा. आनी ह्या रांगोळींतल्या माध्यमांतल्यान ताणें अवेरनेस केला.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Kaulim.
Now for the weather. Light to moderate rainfall occur at many places with heavy rainfall at isolated places over the state of Goa. Light to moderate rainfall is to be expected at many places on 24th, 25th and 28th June. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.